Hello children. Now the last topic of your chapter work, energy and power is power. Okay? Power, it is defined as the rate of doing work. That means how much work you are doing in how much time. It decides the power of any body. Okay. So mathematically, power, it is represented by capital P. Rate means divided by time. So you can write it as W upon T. So this is the formula of power. P is equal to W by T, where the unit of work is joules, time is second. So the unit of power is joule per second, or it is also called as watt, which is represented by capital W. Okay. So the SI unit of power is watt. And how it is defined? It is defined as rate of doing work. Clear? And children, one more term is there. It is commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit of energy. Now you must have listened in your homes, when your electricity bill come, the values, some kilowatt hour is written in that bill, okay, or unit is written. So that kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. That the unit which is used in commercial purposes, okay. And how it is represented? Small k, capital W and small h. So kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. Okay. And how you define commercial unit of energy? It is, you can say it is the amount of, you can write it as kilowatt hour, and kilowatt watt, both are the units of power. Okay. SI unit is watt and different units are watt, kilowatt, horsepower, etc. So kilowatt is also the unit of power. So you can define commercial unit as if an appliance of 1 kilowatt it works for 1 hour. आपके घर में जब कोई 1 kilowatt power का appliance 1 घंटे तक चलेगा, then the energy consumed by that appliance will be 1 kilowatt. And 1 kilowatt hour is also called as 1 unit. Both are same. Kilowatt and unit both are same. Now one question comes, children, कि what is the relation between commercial unit and SI unit of energy? तो commercial unit क्या बताए? Kilowatt hour. SI unit is what? Joule. Now let us find what is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule. Children, you can write 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Okay. 1 kilowatt hour will be equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. And joule is what? See here. Joule per second is equal to watt. Okay. So joule can be written as watt second. Watt into second. So if you convert kilowatt into watt and joule into second, you will convert the commercial unit into SI unit. So how many watt will be there in 1 kilowatt? 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt will be equal to 1000 watt. And how many seconds are there in 1 hour? 3600 seconds. Now this value will be 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watt second. Or you can write it as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second can be written as joule. Okay. So this is the relation between commercial and SI unit of energy. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules. That's all for the today. Thank you, class.